legal dictation, High Court orders 120 words per minute. Start. The appeal arises out of an order dated September 10, 2020 by which the writ petitioner respondents transfer from Avadi Municipal Corporation to Kanchipuram Municipality has been annulled. There is no dispute that the writ petitioner was an employee of the erstwhile Avadi Municipality. The municipality was thereafter converted into a corporation, and in accordance with section 9(6) of the applicable notification, all employees of the erstwhile municipality were deemed to be employees of the corporation by an office memorandum of May 8, 2020. The writ petitioner was transferred and posted as town planning officer in the Kanchipuram municipality, and deputation basis due to administrative reason. It is such memorandum of transfer that was challenged by way of the petition under Article 226 of the Constitution. In passing the judgment and order impugned, the learned single bench noticed the provisions of the Tamil Nadu Municipal Corporation Service Rules 1996, and particularly a rule therein that recognized that for the purpose of appointment, promotion, reversion, transfer and discharge from service, each municipal corporation ought to be regarded as a separate unit. The learned single bench also referred to Rule 110 of the Tamil Nadu Fundamental Rules 1922, which amended as follows: no government servant may be transferred to foreign service against his will. The principle around urged on behalf of the appellants hearing before the court of the first instance was the limited extent of the authority available to the employer. Under Section 116 of the Coimbatore City Municipal Corporation Act 1981, the entire provision is set out in the impugned judgment, and only the material part thereof may be notified herein. Power of government to transfer officers and servant of the corporation or municipalities, notwithstanding anything contained in this act or in the Tamil Nadu District Municipalities Act 1920, Tamil Nadu Act versus of 1920, the government shall have power to transfer any officer or servant of the corporation to the service of any municipality constituted under the Tamil Nadu District Municipality Act 1920. Tamil Nadu was 1920, or it is evident on a plain reading of the aforesaid provision that any officer or servant and any corporation may be transferred to a municipality, and for such purpose the employer does not require the permission or the consent of the concerned officer or employee. It appears that a case was made out before the learned single bench that the fourth respondent to the writ petition had been accommodated in the municipality, had as a consequence the writ petitioner had to be thrown out and parked in the municipality. Stop.
மறக்காம பெல் ஐகானை கிளிக் பண்ணுங்க. அப்போதான் உங்க ஃபோன் நோட்டிஃபிகேஷன்ல தேடி வரும்.